Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to show you something really cool. We are going to build a fully working video calling app in Flutter completely from scratch. And I mean completely from scratch, which means new projects, fresh files and everything. And and we are going to build this within 25 minutes using something called ZEGOCLOUD's call kit. We don't need any backend for that. We don't need to write any WebRTC logic for this, and nothing. Just simple and clean Flutter code and pre-built UI kit that handles everything. Stick with me till the end because I will show you how to get 10,000 free minutes on Zego Cloud. No grid card required. Link in the description. Alright, let's get into it. So, first, what exactly is Zego Cloud? Zego Cloud is a real-time communication platform. Think of it like the infrastructure layer for the video calls, audio calls, live streaming, all that stuff that's generally hard to build yourself. They have something called UI kits. They have UI kits. These are fully pre-built UI components you can drop into your app. So instead of spending weeks building calls screens, you drop in one widget and you are done. And now let's if we see uh, let me remove my account. Let's create another account. So we need to fill some information here. Let's skip my name again. Okay, company website. Do we have any website? For example, we don't have any website, so let's any other industry ID phone number. Bharat. Let's go to dashboard now. Alright, as you can see, we got 10,000 minutes, which will expire on 23rd of April, which means we have 1 month to go. We need to create a new project. Let's keep it voice and video call. Yep. Next. Oh, we cannot. Alright. Now we have two options. We can go with the UI kits and we go with the SDKs as well. But if we go with the UI kits, we will have the pre-built UI for the for our application. But if we go with the SDK, we'll have to write all the UI related codes from our end. So in this video, we are going to use the UI kits for our Flutter application. So let's start with the UI kits. Cool. So once it is created, it will show you some credentials like your app ID and yep. Now let's start building. Cool. For our Flutter application. Cool. Call invitation, screen sharing. These are right now it's not enabled. Let's keep it one on one right now. Cool. Save and start with our let's go to the development. Now we will create Flutter create Zero Cloud ID. Cool. Uh-oh, underscore ID. Sorry, my bad. CD code. This will open up the VS Code right now, and This is our main.dart file. Let's start emulator first. So yeah, and let's run this application now. Cool. So what we have to cool. Let's move start moving to application timing. So remove this and add UI kit. Yep, as you can see, they have multiple packages for different things, but we are going to use a Zego UI kit pre-built call. Okay, so let's go to the simply. I think we should add dependency from here. We are going to remove all of these codes, but before I think that is done, and before moving forward. Okay, enter your name and let's copy it the name. So we need to provide this, and we also need to ask for enter your user ID, and we also need to ask for providing nice result, but we also need to define controllers. Cool. So what are we going to do here? Okay, final there's M controller cool. Final user ID providing controller. Perfect. Now we are going to use here underscore M controller, and similarly we are going to use ID controller, and similarly we are going to use the providing controller. Cool. Refresh it. Yeah, this looks bad, so we need to add axis alignment to the center. Cool. And then we need to add some padding from both sides, so let's wrap it with padding 16. Yeah, cool enough. Fair enough. And also add some height between, let's say 20. I think it will be bigger than. Yeah, cool enough. Let's copy it and paste here, and also paste here. Cool. Yes. And then we also need a button, so we are going to elevate it, but cool enough. Join room. Now instead of join room, we will use this as start slash join call. Yeah, cool. If you want, you can style this in your way, but that is not our motive. Our motive is to use the ZEGOCLOUD's UI kit, that is for video call and audio call. Okay. Now, what do we need to do here? So let's start importing the package. So import package. Let's go. I think this one. Yeah, and then we can write the functions here. Just after the visit, we can write the functions. Or if you want, you can write on the top as well. It's totally depends on you. Okay, now we need some validations as well. So what we are going to do, if name controller is empty or user controller is empty, yeah, cool. Now let's check it as well. Okay, we are not calling this audience, so that's what is not working. Let's call it here. Okay, yeah, as you can see, all the validations are working. Good. Now let's move to the next part. Yeah, and now what we are going to do, from here we are going to make we are going to use the material out, material page out, and there we need to define the builders. So inside the builders we are going to use a call page which we will create after this. Okay. So instead of writing this code now, we should create a call page right away. So basically this is going to be a basic class, cool, which is going to extend the stateless property. No, stateless set htl, and we are going to call it call page, cool. Yes, and yeah. So instead of importing here ZEGOCLOUD, we can directly import here and use the. So what we are going to use, so Zego UI kit we will call, and we need this information from here. So what are we going to do? App ID we have received it from the, and app ID and the user ID we will ask from the username and the config. What are we going to do? Zego call config dot video call voice call or 1-to-1 video call. Cool. Yeah. So now this app ID we will receive it from no sorry bad. Yeah, so you can get the app ID from here. Let's put it. Okay, so this will accept only integer value, so we are going to add this one, and we also need where we need to import this but before, what are we use room ID ready, that's it. Let's so now let's keep the first wall lamp. So yeah, enter user ID 123 and room ID. Now let's user 1, let's keep the room ID 123. Okay, let's allow this, and now as you can see one device is connected with the, okay, continue, yeah, enter name Isoria 2. Okay, and let's keep the user ID 2, and we need to, yep, as you can see now, let me unmute. Yep. As you can see now, we are able to toggle our videos, we are able to mute unmutes, we are able to turn off and turn on speakers. So this is how you can connect with the ZEGOCLOUD. So if you guys liked my video, and please like, share and subscribe.